Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. Today's scene is a quiet winter pathway, gently winding through snow-covered trees. Soft snowfall drifts through the air, and warm lantern lights glow along the path, creating a beautiful contrast between the cold winter surroundings and the cozy warmth of light. I begin by mixing a warm base color using yellow, red, black, and a touch of white. With a dry sponge, I softly dab this mixture onto the upper half of the canvas, building a glowing background. Toward the very top, I add a little more white to subtly brighten the area, blending the colors with repeated gentle taps so everything feels soft and diffused. Using the same warm tones, I loosely shape the pathway at the bottom, letting it fade naturally into the background. I then deepen the mixture slightly by adding more black and softly sketch in blurred tree trunks and branches in the distance. These background elements stay very low in contrast, just enough to suggest depth without pulling attention forward. A thin, delicate layer of snow is added on top of these distant branches to hint at winter without sharp detail. Next, I mix a dark green for the far bushes and shrubs. Again, everything here stays soft and muted, applied with light, blurred strokes, so these elements remain in the background. Now I move into painting the snow-covered ground and snowy bushes, and this is where the atmosphere really starts to come alive. Using white with subtle hints of gray and blue, I shape the snow in gentle layers, allowing some areas to remain brighter while others stay slightly shaded. This creates natural variation and helps the ground feel uneven and realistic. On the bushes, I carefully place snow only where it would naturally settle, on top of branches and leaves, leaving darker areas beneath for depth. With yellow and orange, I softly paint glowing halos of light spreading across the snow from the lanterns along the path. These warm reflections melt gently into the cool whites and grays of the snow, creating a cozy contrast. To help the foreground trees stand out more, I slightly brighten the snow at their base, letting the light guide the viewer's eye forward. Now I mix a deep forest green using blue, yellow, and black, and with a controlled, careful brush, I begin painting the foreground trees. These trees are more defined, with clearer shapes and richer color. I work slowly, building branches and foliage with intention. I repeat the same process on the opposite side of the path, creating balance and framing the composition so the viewer naturally follows the road inward. Returning to the snowy ground, now that the first layer has dried, I apply a second, lighter layer of snow, adding clarity and softness. With a delicate touch, I paint snow resting on the branches of the foreground trees, layer by layer, never rushing. Highlights are added to the path, along with a few scattered patches of snow, and faint lines suggest the stone pattern beneath the surface. The main focal point of this painting is the lantern beside the path. I take my time here, painting it clearly and with more detail than the surrounding elements. I refine its shape, strengthen the glow, and gently enhance the light, spilling onto the nearby snow and path. Finally, I add the falling snowflakes, drifting quietly through the scene. These soft, gentle dots complete the winter mood and bring the entire painting together. I hope you enjoyed painting along with me today. If you did, please support the channel by liking and commenting. It truly means a lot and helps the channel grow. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you again when we create another beautiful piece together.